I've been an attorney for 27 years, and I've really done a lot of different things, but primarily I've basically been in the courtroom. Right now I work for the Attorney General's office. I'm the director of the Workers' Compensation Fraud Unit and the Insurance Fraud Unit, which we do those prosecutions throughout the entire state of Nevada. Well, it's really quite simple. Like I said, I've lived here for 12 years, and one of the things is that, of course, I guess I kind of laugh because a lot of people ask me, like, am I crazy for getting into this? And I think, quite frankly, that, you know, when you look at all the problems that we really have been suffering in the attorney or in the DA's office the past several years, that the thing I look at is I absolutely have a great job with the state attorney general's office, and it's one of those things where, you know, I feel like I'm coming into this where I don't need the job, but I want the job, because I really feel like I can make a positive difference and really correct some of the attitudes and some of the cultures that we've seen in the DA's office, and I think, you know, get it back on the right track of where it should be. They just feel like the DA's office has kind of gotten out of touch with the community. I think there's a lot of concern with just kind of the general attitude of things that have gone on, you know, in the office, and it's kind of a pervasive attitude. I think that, you know, you go back several years, and I don't need to document, you know, what's been happening with, you know, drunk driving charges for multiple people, you know, in the office. The current problems, you know, with the bad check program and how that was set up and operated, and, you know, it's kind of unfortunate that, you know, that whole issue, I mean, really never should have happened. I mean, you don't put public money into a private bank account, you know, so I think there's a lot of distrust with what's been happening. And I just think the main thing I hear from people is they just want to see a different change. And kind of probably the easiest way is to go to my website, which is www.briankunzi.com. Once you get there, you can actually, there's a button there you can push to contact me, which you can send me an email. My telephone number's there. I'm in the phone book. You know, I think it's important for people to be able to contact you. So I've never had an unlisted number, never will have an unlisted number. So if somebody wants to call me, they can call me and ask me any question they have.